Is TikTok Shop ethical? Yes, TikTok Shop is generally considered an ethical e commerce platform, as it follows standard online selling regulations and provides a transparent environment for both buyers and sellers. The platform operates under strict content and product guidelines to ensure that items listed are authentic, safe, and appropriate for consumers. Sellers must adhere to these policies before their stores are approved, which helps maintain trust and accountability across the marketplace. TikTok Shop also promotes fair trade practices by allowing small businesses and creators to compete alongside larger brands. Through its content driven model, even new sellers can gain visibility based on creativity and quality rather than paid advertising alone. This approach encourages equal opportunity, giving every seller the chance to grow their brand ethically through engagement and honest customer interaction. In real world application, many legitimate businesses use TikTok Shop responsibly to expand their online presence. To maintain ethical standards, sellers use tools like Helium 10 to conduct authentic product research, avoid misleading listings, and ensure fair pricing. Helium 10's data driven insights help sellers make transparent decisions that align with ethical e commerce practices while still achieving competitive success on TikTok Shop. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your TikTok Shop like a pro.